Welcome to Ants Tutorials. In the previous video, I had asked you to solve a question on order of operations. I got your answers. You can find the correct answer here. Let's begin with today's lesson. Here, we can see some objects. A chessboard, a wall clock, and a slice of bread. What is the thing which is common between all three of them? We can find the shape of a square in each of them. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and all the sides of square are equal in length. Now here we see a yellow square. Now let's use this yellow square to draw the numbers from 1 to 6. 1 we can draw as a single square. 2 we can draw by placing 2 squares one below another. 3 we can draw by placing 3 squares one below another. 4 we can draw by placing 2 squares next to each other in 2 rows. Similarly, we can draw 5 and 6 like this using yellow squares. Which of these numbers form a square shape? 1 is a single square 1. 4 is a square formed by placing 2 squares each in 2 rows. We can't make 2 into a square. So 2 is a rectangle. Similarly, 3 also is a rectangle. 5 also we can't form a square. So it is a rectangle. And 6 again a rectangle. So the numbers 1 and 4, they only form the squares. Now, can you tell me what is the next number that forms a square? You're right. It is 9. Now, there is a name that we use for this kind of numbers. Square numbers. Square numbers can be arranged in a shape of square. For example, 1, 4 and 9 and so on. Now, if you observe closely, can you see the number of squares formed in each of the numbers? You can see here. Yes. For the square number 1, we multiply 1 and 1. For getting the square number 4, we multiply 2 and 2. Similarly, 3 multiplied by 3, we get the square number 9. In order to get the square number 16, we have to multiply 4 with 4. In the same way, if you multiply 5 and 5, you get 25. So you see, we get a square number whenever we multiply a whole number by itself. Now, let us answer this question. Which of these numbers are square numbers? 9, 11, 19, 25 and 49. The answer is 9, 25 and 49. Here is another task. Complete the next 5 square numbers given here. In order to solve this, we will look at a multiplication table. We can see the square numbers are forming a diagonal. So you can see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. So what will be the next 5 square numbers after 49? It will be 8 times 8, 9 times 9, 10 times 10, 11 times 11 and 12 times 12. So here we get the answer. 64, 81, 100, 121 and 144. So squaring a number means to multiply that number to itself. Now suppose we need to square a number 84. What we need to do? We will multiply 84 to itself. 84 multiplied by 84. But could there be a simple way to do this squaring? See, it's easy to multiply single digit number, right? But if suppose there is a two-digit number and it's a big number, say for example 84 multiplied by 84. So would there be a simple way to multiply two numbers so that we get it square? Of course, yes. Today I'm going to tell you a short trick to square any two-digit number. Let us mentally calculate 17 square, for example. For that, all we have to do is to change 17 so that we multiply a number ending in 0. So firstly, we will take two numbers which is more than 17 and less than 17 in such a way that we will move 3 up from 17. So you get a number 20 which is ending in 0, right? Similarly, we will subtract 3 and we will move down from 17 and we get the number 14. So you got two numbers here, 20 and 14. Okay. Now, these two numbers that we have got, we will multiply in the next step. And what will the answer come? 20 multiplied by 14. See, this is very easy because you are having a number which is ending with 0. So it's easy to multiply 14 into 2. So it's 28 and 20 multiplied by 14, we get 280, right? So this is the idea behind the short trick. Now, in step 3, what we will be doing is, we will be adding 280 with the number that we used for moving up and down from 17. The square of 3. So the square of 3 is 9. And on adding 280 plus 9, we get the answer of 17 square. That is 289. Easy, right? Okay. Similarly, let's calculate 84 square now using the same short trick. Firstly, we will change 84 into a number ending in 0. Say for example 80. So we will move down from 84. We will move 4 down to 80 and then we will move 4 up to 88. Then we will multiply 80 and 88. And on multiplying our new numbers 80 and 88, we get the answer 7040. Finally, we need to add the square of 4 to the 7040 and we get the answer 7040 plus 16, which is equal to 7056. That is the square of 84. Okay, so we learned that square numbers are the result when a number is multiplied to itself, and also about a short squaring trick for any two-digit number. Now it's time for you to practice what you learned in this video. I have a question for you on the screen. Find the square of numbers 38, 61 and 99. I'm sure you will be able to get the answer very quickly using the short trick that we learned. Just post your answers in the comment box below. I will be checking them and replying to your comments. That's all for today. If you like the video, please click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon next to it. I will see you with an exciting topic next time. Goodbye.